What you're about to see is real. We are trained professionals. Do not try this at home. No.
Hey guys! So today we have an interesting video for you. I can't believe I actually got my husband to do this, but I did. So let's take it while we can. This video today is going to be, I don't know what to call it yet. The husband does my makeup routine video.
Oh, husband get abused by makeup video. I get it.
And so I have here all the products that I use on a daily basis. Most of the products are my everyday products, and then some I have that are just like little extra things when I go on a night out, like eyelashes. My husband is going to attempt to try and recreate my look as I'm doing my look. And there's also going to be a giveaway throughout this video. If you guys like these kind of videos, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below. And let's get started. The first thing that I always do is I kind of clean my face. So I like to use this, which is the ItCosmetics Miracle Water. It's anti-aging 3-in-1 glow tonic. I like it because it's kind of like a micellar water, but it also has like essence and boosting and whatnot. So I always take some of this. And
so some miracle water, yeah.
I take this and I just put it all over my face.
I take this and I just put it all over my face.
Oh, I feel like I have a pimple coming in.
I feel like I have a pimple coming in here. I got this, guys. I got this. I'm not a quitter, I tell you.
Next up, I go like this to kind of dry it.
It's getting hot in here.
The next thing I do is I put on my moisturizer, and I like to use the ItCosmetics Confidence in a Cream. Right now it is winter time, so it's super duper cold out, and I really like this product. It's really good for sensitive skin, so I use this. I'm going to give you, however, this is the ItCosmetics Bye Bye Redness, and this is really good for sensitive skin and for skin that has redness. Good? The next thing I do is I always go for my eyeshadow first. So I will use some eyeshadow primer before I put on my eyeshadows.
Hey, I remember you.
Just put this on your eyes like this.
Oh my god. What do you put it on?
And then you just blend it out. Oh, it's not. You put so much on.
I feel like I got dry flakes.
Next up is the eyeshadow, and Smashbox was generous enough to send me a lot of eyeshadows. So
ooh, thank you, Smashbox. It looks smashing.
These are their new eyeshadow trios, and so this is the interactive part of the portion. I'm going to choose one to use on my eyes. You're also going to choose 2 to give away, Fel. So this is 2
to give away. Yeah, all right, sounds good. 2 to give away. So I'm going to. One of them will be this.
I think I'm going to use this one. This one is in #goals. Alright, how about, do you want to use the one I use?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so you'll use the one I use. Why don't you pick 2 for as giveaway prizes?
I like this one.
Okay, so Felix is going to do #repost.
I don't know, I like the silver one.
Okay, cool. So this one
I like it silver, I cannot like pump. Medium copperish color.
I'm going to just go back and forth along my whole lid.
We'll go back and forth along my whole lid. I don't see anything. I only see the dry stuff on the last one.
I can't put enough on your lid. So it should be like this, Phil.
Got it.
And I'm going to use that deeper color, and I'm just going to get it in this close to the lash line here at the end.
I'm gonna put it around the eye. On the both sides?
Mm-hmm.
like a punch in the eye. Well, you put it underneath too?
No, I didn't.
Oh. Oh, that's just your bags.
Yo, that's messed up.
I'm just kidding.
Lastly, I go in with this color, and I'm just gonna put this on the front half of mine, and I'm gonna blend it right here. And I'm gonna kind of blend that out.
This one? This big one, right? Mm-hmm.
I like to spray this glow mist, and this is by Pixi, and it's a nourishing mist, which I really like because it has argan oil and propolis, so it's really good for your skin. So I like to put this on before I put anything on my face. Close your eyes.
I'm gonna do some for Minion too. Okay.
Next up, I'm gonna put a primer on my face, and I really love this Hourglass light correcting ambient primer.
1, 2.
And then you just put it on your face.
Can I put it on my mustache too?
Yeah. Why not?
Okay.
And next we're going to use our beauty blender, and I'm going to spray it with some of this mist.
Mist? How much mist is? Spray it with me.
And I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I've been really liking this Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. Anyway.
I don't need that much. Put this clay material.
It's not clay. You dab it on your face.
You dab it on your face.
Okay.
Oh shoot, I dabbed some on my hair.
And then you take your beauty blender and you kind of bounce it.
Oh, I like that. Oh shoot, I put some in my mouth by accident.
You bounce it to blend it in.
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Yeah.
You remember B2K?
Yeah.
Remember who they sing bounce, bounce, bounce? Is it bounce, bounce, bounce?
They didn't say bounce, bounce, bounce.
What did they sing?
They say bump, bump.
Oh yeah! Oh, that's right. You put it in your nose too?
Yeah.
Good. I've been pretty good at the bounce.
Yeah, you're really good at it.
Yeah.
You're done?
Yeah.
I think it's still a little bit pink over here. Next up is concealer, and I have been using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. This is a brand new concealer that just came out.
All night long.
Make so this kind of triangular shape like this. And then I use the pointy side of the beauty blender, and I dab it like that. You make lines. So it looks
okay.
Like
Is that how you do it? Do triangle? Fill it in. Then dab it. Looks good.
And then you take your beauty blender.
And then dab it.
Yeah. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm gonna take the ItCosmetics Airbrush Perfecting Powder, and I'm just going to take, can you see that? I'm just gonna take a little bit of it.
Close your eyes.
A little bit of it.
Make a wish.
And I'm just gonna kind of pat it around.
And then take a little bit of the IT Cosmetic Company powder.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna set it up.
You look really good. How about you try this Becca color? This one that I never use. This one.
Okay. Oh. Becca. Oh. I don't see anything actually.
You can't see that? Look at it.
Oh. I can't really see the small one.
That I like to do is highlight, and of course Becca does their highlights so good. And so this is in the Jaclyn Hill palette, but they do sell these separately. This is the Champagne Pop, and this is something, what is this, Prosecco Pop? Prosecco Pop, for a little bit of that golden color. And I go down my nose a little.
Where the sun will hit your cheeks.
We're gonna put on some eyeliner, and this is always my favorite part.
Yeah.
I start in the middle of my eye, and I go outward. I draw the wing.
You got long wings, son.
Yeah, I mean, you don't have to do such a long wing if you don't want. Then I bring it in, I kind of fill it in, and then I go to the front. And I just fill in the rest. You think you can do that?
Yeah, I can do that. Wait, do you open your eyes when you do it?
Half open. You might want to stick closer to your lash line, but okay. It's okay, you do you.
I was gonna get it into my eye.
That is one
good?
legit wing.
I tell you, I gotta do my
Yeah, but guess what? The other eye is gonna be really hard. There's always one messed up eye.
Dude, it's kind of hard. Alright, I got this. I got it now.
Is that what I did on my eyes?
Yeah?
So that's what my wing looks like to you?
Yep. Maybe she's born of it. Or maybe it's just me.
And you're just gonna kind of get really close to your eye, and you're gonna kind of blink into it.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
And then we're going to put on the Ardell lashes. These are my favorite, the Wispies. And then you're just gonna place it on your lash line.
Place it on your lash line? Where's your lash line?
Where you put your eyeliner.
Got it.
Good job. Take the other one off. Nice, honey.
Oh man, this feels like it's gonna hurt. Look. Hit me, baby, one more time.
Close your mouth. It tastes bad. Really good.
Yeah, good. I can't even see now. It's blurry because I can't even see what's. I can't really see.
Here's the other interactive portion of the video, is that Flower Beauty had sent over all of these lipsticks for us. Well, not us, for me. So I'm going to actually use this one. This one? No, this one. I'll use this one for my lip lining. And Felix, you're gonna choose 2 lip colors for
I get to choose.
People to win.
Ooh. Pink and fuchsia. How about that?
Alright, Felix picked a pink and a fuchsia for you guys to win.
2 extremes.
So we're going to do the silvery brown one with the nude pink. And we'll do the lavender one that Felix chose with the fuchsia color. So 2 people will be winning those. And I'm just gonna line the edges of my lips.
Mustache. Dahlia desire.
You're just gonna.
This way first, and then this way. Just color inside the thing. can do this, just color inside the lines. Done!
Alright. Do we look the same?
Yeah.
I think we do.
You do.
So what do you think? Do you think he did a really good job recreating my look? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos or challenges, definitely let us know down below. Let us know if you have a challenge for us. I'm pretty sure Felix is up to try anything.
I'm down.
Also,
I'm down,
don't
girl.
forget.
I'm down, girl.
Don't forget to check the info box on how to win the products that Felix chose for the giveaway. And anything else I gotta say?
Peace.
Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.